Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a declutter video. I am getting ready to move, and for the past 3 days I've been kind of trying to go through everything and see, what we're going to be taking to the new house, what we might need to get rid of, what we can maybe donate or give away to friends and family, and then if there's anything that we can sell. So I've set up 4 different stations behind me. I've designated this area of my house, which is my dining room, so I can just kind of bring everything into one place and kind of group it and then get rid of it. I've done the same thing upstairs. I designated a room and I have everything that's going to be donated, tossing, selling, and then to friends and family, so that I can just keep everything from upstairs up here, get it all together, and then everything downstairs and get it all together. So I only have a week before I have to move, so let's get started. This is how I made out. Here's everything that I'm gonna be donating. I have like almost 4 full bags of things I'm gonna be tossing, including a rug, and then also I have another larger rug down here that's kind of shot, so I think we're just gonna go ahead and get rid of it. And then I just have my pile of things that I'm either going to be selling or giving to friends and family and see like if they want something or need something before I go ahead and just either sell it or donate it. And then the last thing is this indoor trampoline. We're not gonna bring it to the new house because my daughter's just about grown out of it, so I think I'm gonna just sell it or give it away. So here is the final result. Everything over in the left here is everything that I'm going to be donating. Everything right here is everything that I'm going to be tossing. That printer, we've been trying to get it fixed and it's just not working, so there's no point in hanging on to it any longer. Everything in this little section right here is everything that we're going to be selling. I of course always check with friends or family to see if they want anything first. And then if I don't end up selling it, I'll end up donating it. And then everything over here in this right column, I'm gonna see if friends or family could use. I also have a carpet shampooer that's downstairs that will be going with the 2 little shampooer things down here. My new house does not have carpets, so there's no reason to hang on to that any longer. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude today's video. If you liked it, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. And I hope everyone has a great day. Bye guys.